I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carolyn. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting 2 trends I saw on TikTok that I was like, that looks cool. So let me show you what I got real quick. So here are the items right in front of me. They're actually 2 separate projects. So this is one and this is the other. I'm no stranger to attempting TikTok trends. So I'm super excited to try these out. Something I love about TikTok is that so many people can make trendy Pinterest ideas into a cheap and easy way of achieving it yourself. So I don't have to go all out and spend so much money to get basically the same result. The first project is going to be painting some shoes. I'll pop up some pictures of how people on Pinterest will decorate their shoes. As you can tell, they use like Air Force Ones, which are pretty expensive, especially to be painting. And TikTok showed me that the alternative, we're finding these shoes that are very similar to Air Force Ones from Walmart for $15 freaking. And I just picked up these 4 pastel colors from Target and some paintbrushes to paint with. Then for the second project, I'm going to be decorating my own acrylic nails with these paints I got. They're also pastel colors, and these are the Kiss acrylic French nude nails in a medium length. I feel like cute acrylics are so popular right now. I mean, they've always been popular, but acrylics are also a very expensive option. So I feel like an at-home option is always the way to go if you don't want to be spending so much money that often. But yeah, I kind of want to test out these projects, see if they're worth it, if they actually come out nice, or if they're just too hard and not even worth attempting on your own. I think I'm gonna do this project first. I am going to put a bag here for my paint. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do whatever I feel like doing. I think I'm gonna do, what is this called? This like rim. I think I'm gonna do the rim last, so as I'm painting the top, I can hold it here. And then at the end, I'll paint the bottom. So for now, I think I'm gonna do the top. I think for this area, I'm going to do the baby pink. No. I'm gonna do the blue, the baby blue. I'm gonna do that on this area and this area. Dang it, I didn't take any of the wrappings off. Okay. These are surprisingly really easy to paint. Like, the material is so nice. All right, that part is done. I feel like it's a little bit uneven, like the paint. I don't know. Does that look good to you guys? I hope so. Now I'm gonna do the side. All right, so one side done. Now to do the other side. So I'm all done with that shoe. I'll be back when I finish this shoe. All right, both shoes are done. I kind of like them like this. Like, I would keep it like this, but I want to obviously add more colors. So on to the next color, pink. I'm gonna do the pink on the back, like this part and this part. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the pink right over here. Will that look good? I don't know. We're gonna find out. This pink is so pretty. Fun fact about me is that I get very bored painting, so I would not be surprised if these start getting very sloppy just because I want to get done with it as soon as possible. I love how this entire video is literally painting, and I don't even like painting, so. All right, both sides are done. I'll be back with the other shoe. Update, I'm done with both. Now I want to go in with the yellow. I think I want to do the yellow on the bottom, so I'm going to go in with the purple. And I think I want to do the purple on the front here and this back part right here. That purple actually looks very purple, so I think I'm gonna mix it with some white I have. That's better. Yeah, that's good. Or is that too dark? No, that's good, I think. Hopefully, we'll see. So update. I got a little on the rim right here and I'm sad because now it doesn't look neat. Actually, maybe I can go in with white later and hopefully cover it up. Okay, that was the hardest section ever. It's really sloppy in my opinion, but whatever. I'm gonna do the back now. It's really annoying because there's like obviously stitching and I'm like, is the border the stitching or the entire section? But so far I've tried to not touch the stitching, but yeah, I don't like that because the stitching gets in the way easily. I've decided the back is even worse than the front. Why were the other sections so easy? Okay, back is done. Now to do the other shoe. Ugh. All right. I thought that touched me. I am done with the purple. A little sloppy, but whatever. I'll attempt cleaning up the lines later on. But now for the platform. That's what it's called, huh? The platform. I'm gonna make it yellow. This yellow is so pretty. All right. I kind of wish I made the purple like more lavender so that, I don't know, I feel like it's too dark. It doesn't match the pastel look. But overall, pretty cute. I'm gonna do the other shoe right now. Okay. I finished doing the other shoe and I went in with some white paint to hopefully like clean up a little of the messes, but this is the result. Something looks off about them. I think it's the purple. I think the purple is too dark. I wish I had gone lighter. I think if I go in with white on top of the purple, maybe it'd give a nicer, lighter effect, but this is what they look like. Honestly though, if you are creative, I feel like you could make some super cute shoes with this little project, but I'd recommend a better color scheme than this. I was going for like a pastel color type of shoe. It's fine. Okay, you know what? They kind of look like clown shoes. The more I look at them, they look like clown shoes. I don't know. Comment down below what you rate my shoe. Like, it doesn't look bad, but it also doesn't look good, you know? I don't know what it is. I'd give this little project like a 7 out of 10. It's really cheap to do, but if you ruin them, then they're kind of a waste of a shoe, you know? So you have to know the plan and what you actually think you're going to do with them. So if you have like an actual vision in mind, then I'd say try your best to execute it onto the shoe, but once you ruin them, they're ruined. All right, I'm gonna clean up and then get started on the second project. Okay, I feel like this second project is just as straightforward as the first. If I can open this. Oh. All right, so pretty straightforward. Oh wow, it comes with a lot. It comes with a little kit also. How fun. I wonder what these are for. First, I'm gonna measure. I literally still have paint on my hand, so love that. I'm gonna measure my nails real quick. This is gonna take forever. Okay, I'll be back when I actually find the nail sizes I need. Okay, I have gotten the sizes I need. Here are the colors I'm doing. I, once again, don't have a vision in mind, so I think I'm just gonna wing it once again. My plan currently is to do one hand pink and the other blue with like daisies. I'm going to do opposite color daisies with the white center. So the blue nails will have pink daisies with the white center and the pink nails will have blue daisies with the white center. So I'm gonna do the base coat first and then I'll get into the actual daisies. I don't know how people do this without like touching it. We'll see though. man, this is so much easier than painting your own nails. But then I don't know how to like maneuver it. How do people do this? I don't know how to pick it up without like touching the paint. I got it on my desk. Okay, love that. I'm gonna put it on my nail. Actually, I'm gonna do it like on my thumb, like that. Oh yeah, that'll be so much easier. Okay, first coat done for that nail. Does anyone else like the smell of nail polish? It's like smelling new tires or gasoline. Something about chemicals. Okay, this one, we don't talk about this one. On to the next. That one's good. The hardest part is always the transition back onto the table. Ah! Next one. Oh my gosh, I hate this so much. Back onto the table it goes. I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do. You know what? I'm giving up on this one. Ugh, I flipped on the table again. Now for the pink. That one was very simple. Another simple one. Oh my god, I just flipped two of them onto the freaking table. I feel like regardless of them being musty, like they still even out. Does that make sense? Like the nail polish doesn't look that bad. I wish you guys could see my hands right now. They're disgusting. So much freaking nail polish on them. Okay, I am done. And I think I don't need a second coat. I'm gonna bring a toothpick, sorry, not a toothpick, a bobby pin, because apparently that's really helpful in creating daisies. So I'll be back. Okay, I moved the camera in a little closer so you could actually see what I'm doing with my nails. But I think I'm gonna do the pink ones. I don't know if they're dry. Do you think they're dry? So far, they're cute. That's all I gotta say. I think I'm gonna do the blue daisies on the pink first. So you dip the bobby pin into the nail polish to create cute little circles. Okay, cute. I've never done this before and I'm now realizing it's a lot harder than it looks. Why is this not freaking working? Okay, kind of cute. That was an ugly daisy. I hate this so much. I thought these projects would be so much easier. How do people make it look so easy? I can't wait until you see these because these daisies are no, big fat no. Maybe I have to dip it directly into the bottle. No, that doesn't seem logical. I hate this so much. I don't think that was supposed to happen. I literally don't understand. This sucks. Why am I using it? Why do people say bobby pins? Bobby pins don't work. I don't understand. If it works, why doesn't it work? Okay, I'm starting to get some better results. You know what? I start these videos off having so much confidence, like nothing could possibly go wrong in my mind, and then I do it and I'm like, oh my gosh, how did this happen? Like, how did we get here? How did I get to this point of my life? I'm not gonna lie, this pink is so much easier to work with than the blue. Okay, I'm gonna go in and do the daisy centers now. These daisy centers are kind of ruining the flowers because they're coming out way bigger than I want them to. Okay, that is all of them. Honestly, like when you don't look very close, they kind of look kind of cute. But I'm gonna put them on so you can see how they look on me. These nails are not that bad. Like I thought, okay, they're bad, but I'd wear them. I'd 100% wear them. I wonder how long they'll last though, because I mean, they're just regular Kiss acrylic press-ons, so let's be honest, they probably won't last that long. I would 100% take this design to an actual nail salon and have someone recreate them for me in like a professional way, because I feel like my mind really came up with the cutest design ever. Okay, let's put these bad boys on. A little crooked, but First nail done. Can you see it? I feel like you can't see it all that well, but we'll figure it out. I didn't even read the instructions on how to put these on. Like, I wonder if you're supposed to press for like 30 seconds because I'm pressing for like 5 and hoping for the best. That one was still wet and I just rubbed the flour off. These are cute. Wait. Are they still white for you? Oh no, they look pink now. Let's do my left hand. Oh my gosh, this one was super wet and I messed it up. Oh well. At this point, there's nothing I can do. And that is the second pair. I think I'm just sitting here really hoping they fall off. I kind of want to do like a close-up. Can you see that? These are pink and these are the blue ones, obviously. I really like them, but something about them is just like, I think it's just the flowers overall. They look so bad, but like at the same time, they're still cute. I'd rate this one an 8 out of 10. I think I'm just creatively not inclined, but declined. I suck at anything when it comes to being creative, but I'm happy. Like, I'm still happy because I'm like, I have nails now. I just hope no one looks at them too close because they'll be very disappointed. Now I have some new shoes and some new nails, and it was not expensive at all. So I'm very happy I did it. I think that is it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching me be very miserable. I need to stop trying to be creative. It never, ever works out. Make sure to comment down below. Maybe leave me a little message if you like the outcome or if you have any tips at all on painting the shoes or painting my nails. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. I post every Sunday, so I will see you next week. Bye!